Hello friends, welcome back to channel. In our previous video, we have discussed about how to create a file system, how to attach a disk, how to format it, how to mount it, how to use it. So we have discussed about the mount and these command. Today we'll roll back what we did. So step what we have taken. First we created a disk attached to a VM virtual machine. Then using fdisk we have did fdisk/dev sdb and we have created a partition on those disks. We have wrote while pressing P, it got written in a partition table. Then on the disk, we have created a file system mkfs command, and we have uses the xfs file system to format those things. We have formatted. Then post formation, we have mounted on /dev sdb1. We have mounted on disk 2 partition 1, and /dev sdb2. We have mounted on disk 2 partition 2, which is showing here. So this is the sequence for creating a disk and mounting. For unmounting, we have to take this complete process in a reverse manner. So first what we'll do, mount we did, so unmount. What you want to unmount, you can use either this name, okay, or it is already unmounted. If you do df-h, it will won't show here now, okay. You see disk 2 partition has got clear. Now I will unmount, new mount. Okay, command is u mount. Now we'll do df-h. Okay, both are not showing here. So before mounting, what we did, we created a file system. So there is no process to like reformat. There's a process, but it's not required. Now what we'll do fdisk-l. We are having sdb1 and sdb2, so we'll do fdisk/dev sdb. Okay, p for print. So we have created a partition while pressing a n new. Now we'll want to delete. So for delete a partition, we are having d. Okay, it's showing partition number 2 or 1 which we want to delete. I want to delete 2. Then again print. Okay. Then again I want to delete this one all partition also. It's showing press 1. Okay. We'll print both partition got deleted. And I will write and come out. Okay. Now we'll do fdisk-l. So SDB is the disk which is showing here, but partitions are not there. You can confirm using lsblk. Okay, SDB is showing, there is no mount point. Now only thing we have to unmount from the virtual machine. Let's see, is that virtual machine? Go to setting, storage. This is size of 2.14, but in running machine I cannot delete this. Okay, I can just delete it post its shutdown. So first we will shut down the machine. Okay, we can add this disk in a running machine, but disk will not get removed. Machine init 0. Okay, machine has shut down. It will take few seconds. It is showing here. Okay, it's completely down. Logo has came. Now we'll go storage, this thing. Here if you click, it's showing multi option, but here it's showing remove selected storage device. Remove. Okay, again we'll power on and we'll see the changes. Okay, previously it was showing in a lsblk. Now let it come. Okay, server came up, booted, root, username, password. Okay, IPR is 104. Let me come out of this. Let me reconnect this thing. It's got reconnected. I became a root user. Now lsblk list block device. See, SDB is not showing here. So that's the complete process to remove a disk. So in first video we have learned how to attach a disk, mount it, create a file system and mount it on OS. In next video we have learned about the what is fdisk, what is mount and these things. Now in this video what we have learned, how to unmount, delete using fdisk-l, In LSBLK, it will show as a disk. Partition already got deleted using fdisk-l, and we'll shut down the server, remove the disk. Again, once we server is back in our OS, we'll run lsblk, and that disk will not show here. That's the complete process. These 3 videos, you watch it 2-3 times. Any question, anything, put in the comment box. We have lots more video coming on the fdisk because this is the majorly perform activity as the administrator, and lot of question will come on an interview using this. Okay, practice this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.